nice seeing you again. Welcome back to another segment of Ask Dr. Schulman. I'm Dr. Schulman, board certified plastic surgeon here in New York City. Today's topic is going to deal with liposuction and loose skin. People often ask me, if I get liposuction, will it make my skin loose? So that's kind of a tricky topic because to understand the complexity of that, you have to really understand what liposuction can do and what it can't do. So as you guys probably know, liposuction is the surgical removal of fat. We do it through a special suction device, so we're actually sucking out the fat cells from underneath your skin, and that makes you thinner and skinnier and can shape your body. So that's liposuction. What liposuction can't do is remove skin. So if you're someone that comes in and you have excess fat but not extra skin, then you're a perfect candidate for liposuction. We can talk about that procedure and you'll probably get a great result. However, if you come in and you have some skin that's hanging, maybe you've lost a lot of weight, or maybe you've had multiple pregnancies and you kind of have rolls of skin, the kind of stuff that you can grab and pull and stretch, that would make you a bad candidate for liposuction because liposuction will not address the skin. You may do better with a procedure that removes the skin, such as a tummy tuck. So the real question here is, what if you are a good candidate for liposuction, as we discussed, but you want to know what's going to happen to your skin afterwards because you've heard that it can make your skin sag or make your skin looser. Liposuction will remove the fat, and then it's your body that has to tighten the skin over top of it. So in general, if you're younger or you're healthier or you have good skin quality, then your skin will probably do really well after liposuction and it will tighten up. This tightening is a gradual process and it can take up to a full year to see your final results and see the final tightening. But in general, you'll probably do really well with a liposuction procedure. If you're a little bit older and your skin has lost its collagen or its elastin, so it's really kind of a little bit loose to begin with, you might be a poor candidate for liposuction because removing the fat may make your skin hang a little bit more. Or if you have stretch marks. Stretch marks, which are unfortunately really common and really difficult to get rid of. Stretch marks are an indication that your skin has been damaged. It has cracks on the inside. That's what the stretch marks are. So if your skin has stretch marks, it probably means that it won't tighten up as well as someone else's skin after liposuction. So that might be a little bit of a warning to you that you might get a little bit of loose skin after liposuction procedure. And then the other group of people that may do poorly after liposuction are people that come in with looseness of the skin to begin with, where they think it's fat, but it's not really fat. So in general, if you're a good candidate for liposuction, your skin should do really well and you shouldn't have any issues with loose hanging skin afterwards. The people that have that problem with their skin after are usually people that were poor candidates for liposuction to begin with. So to answer that question, will liposuction make my skin looser? Probably not, as long as liposuction is the right procedure for you. So this is another reason why it's important to really talk with your board certified plastic surgeon and make sure that the liposuction is the right procedure for you and you don't need something else like a skin removal procedure. So hopefully that clears things up for you. If you like this video, make sure to tell me you like it and also put a comment down below, and make sure to follow the rest of our videos in our Ask Dr. Schulman series. We answer all bunch of questions from you guys, and hopefully you're finding it educational. So check back with me, and nice speaking with you guys.